Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENZC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very impressive movement on the day, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Now, I did this analysis, several times before, so that's where this green line here is coming from. So the first update that needs to be done is just an adjustment, and the question becomes, okay, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And now that we have more data, the newest area of support, what I would call the ideal level, is now up here at 0.016. And not to insult your intelligence, but you saw I needed to adjust that line in the upwards direction, and that's a good thing. From the bullish side of things, if you are long, you want to see levels of support needing to be adjusted higher and higher, and that's exactly what happened here. So yeah, ideally, you want to see the price stay above 0.016, but I say ideally because it's not the end of the world. It's not like the chart's all of a sudden destroyed if the price were to go down to 0.016 and drop below it. Again, preferably speaking, in an ideal world, yeah, that'd be great if the price can stay above it, but if it doesn't, not the end of the world, because from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful and beneficial because when it comes to gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the overall move, just watch a purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above 0.016 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? What matters the most is what the price has been doing and continues to do, and that's right there, just building those higher lows, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.